Okay, day 2 of the film shooting. I am so excited. Welcome to the second part of Artista on Set. Ayan, papunta na ako sa set at umuulan. Nag-angkas na ako. Anyway, wala kasi akong pang-grab kaya nag-angkas ako. Welcome again to the Struggling Artist Vlog. Watch naman hey para magkapera si Ate Shi. Set up na sila. Let's find kung saan ang standby area. Actually, this is my last day of shoot dahil on the third day ay hindi na ako kailangan. Pero bumisita pa rin ako. So, this vlog right here is the second and third day of our filming.
Hi there! And of course, my international kumare!
And of course, ito ang ginagawa ng set design team. O, diba?
So this is for Emmy.
Oh, that's Hailey! Thank you so much,
We
Hailey.
love
Day 2 of 3 ng Lancer Liwan.
Company call
I
ulit.
think we already all know
And
each
of
other.
course,
except,
that's our
Matthew.
producer.
Si Catch is here. And then, before we start, we just want to say happy birthday to Miss Lorraine.
Happy birthday to our line producer, Miss Lorraine Barreto! Woo! Ayan. Hindi po kami sabay-sabay. Ito yung nakakatuwa talaga sa prod. You can see talaga yung saya behind the scenes. I miss filming. I actually miss production. I can do this every day, like being on prod. Happy birthday again, Miss Lorraine!
So I'll turn it over to Direk Tini for the rundown of the day.
Hello. Good evening, everyone. So we are going to set up for 2 and 2A downstairs, second floor, balcony area, and shot from the street. And then we move upstairs to do sequence 11. Sequence 11 is the remaining sequence that we didn't do from day 1. It's going to be located there, after the stairs, behind this wall. And then,
And after company
Day
call,
two with
hair
Ate
and makeup.
Rose.
And again, I'm so happy working with Ate Rose. Kasi si Ate Rose, nako, heavy gat ang mga mukha na make-upan niya. Jericho Rosales lang naman, et al. Charot!
Ate Priscilla,
Alright, yung mini make-upan ngayon is Catch. She's also an actress dito sa film. And this is my second time working with Catch. I so love Catch. This is our early reunion film. Dahil last year kaming dalawa yung bida doon sa film na ginawa namin with Direk Gabrosique. So, habang nag-aantay kami sa prod or ng actors in or queue for actors in, kami ni Madge, who's also my co-actress, ay nagme-memorize ng script. Siyempre, pinag-uusapan namin yung eksena naming dalawa. Actually, sa film na to, kaming dalawa yung magka-eksena talaga. Yes. And I'm so happy working with Madge kasi she's a movement instructor or a movement teacher. She's been featured sa mga magazines. I so love Madge. She's so pretty. At super bait niya. Every time na nagkakatabi kami at wala pang ginagawa, mega kwento talaga ako sa kanya. And habang nag-aantay kami ng setup, kumain muna kami.
Happy Madge.
At eto na! Rak-rakan na naman! Hi, Sir Migs!
Say hi!
di ako pinansin. Kaya tinawanan ako ng lunch. Anyway, after yun nung sequence na yun, kumain ulit kami. At dahil medyo naparami yung kain ko, nagutom ako. I mean, nabusog ako at inantok. Pero guys, ito ang wag na wag niyong gagawin. Huwag kayong matutulog sa set. Respeto na lang sa mga taong puyat din at pagod din. So, medyo pagbigyan niyo ako dito. Pero, to be honest, hindi ako nakatulog masyado. Yan, more prosthetics. Also, i-highlight ko lang yung prosthetics because this film ay walang gamit ang AI. Hindi kami nag-AI. Natapos kami sa amin second day of filming, mga 8 a.m. na ata. Well, my call time is at 6 p.m. pero dumating ako ng 4 p.m. Wala na, sabi ko lang, mapatunayan lang na hardworking ako. Charot! Yes! After breakfast, syempre, uwian na. Bye, Natch! Last day of filming. And they're shooting for the last sequence of the film. And the last sequence for today. And super miss namin ni Catch yung isa't isa. I actually love Catch. Nag-hug kami kasi wala lang, gusto lang namin.
On
And
behalf
this is it,
of
guys.
everyone
This is
from
it.
the production team, maraming salamat po. Thank you very much. Evoya, Elaine, Art Department, CMB, the whole CAMDEP, Direct Marty, our friends from Second Skin, Tota-san, Direct Timmy, Logistics Department, Lorraine, thank you. Our Sound Department, our post team is also here, and of course our actors. Emmy is also here, bumisita. So, maraming salamat po talaga.
Yes, bumisita ako
And we
sa
won't be
third
able to
day
do this
dahil
without
hindi
all your
kumpleto
help. Thank you so much.
ang
And
filming
I'm
experience
turning
kapag
it over
hindi mo
to Direk.
narinig ang...
Thank you guys, and I'm happy to say that it's a wrap.
It's a wrap! Yes! Woo! Yes!
Hopefully, there's a feature in the future. Hopefully,
Manifest
masaya yung
natin yan,
experience
Direk
ko
Roddy.
dito, and we can all
Manifest!
keep working together in the future. Thank you guys.
And that is it for today's video. See you again soon. Bye!